What do you think?
I was going to say the same thing to you.
3, 2, 1.
Go! It's quite an expensive car collection, actually. Good morning, everyone. Today we're picking up my new daily, and it's an insanely proud moment for my team, our family, as well as the business to be able to do this. But Saturday morning, we're starting off by cleaning the entire fleet. All our courtesy cars are now prepped, ready for next week, which is a big thing. Obviously, having everything neat, tidy, and prepped, ready to go. So we've got my little brother's car, which we're going to be taking one of the cars on the little convoy over to pick up the new car. My dad's Mercedes SL as well. He'll be joining us a little bit later on. And then we're taking this, which is our demo car, the Ford Mustang, over to collect cars. So 3 cars going with us. We're also going to be joined with some of our team as well as friends and family, which will be absolutely amazing to share the entire trip, not only with them, but also with you guys. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go. Stopped off for a bite to eat. We've got around about an hour and a half left to get over to Newbury to collect the car, which is really exciting. Cannot wait to have the unveiling and show all of you the amazing car. To be honest, I haven't even seen the car yet, so literally I'm going to be revealing it and seeing it literally live as you do. So in terms of like how, that's my little brother passing us. So I was basically sitting at the computer a couple of weekends ago, and I was looking for a new daily, and I was just having a browse of different stuff, and this car came up. I literally never thought I'd be owning this particular car, and it wasn't even on like my list of cars that I kind of was looking at, but literally I saw it, I saw the first picture, and I was literally instantly sold. I clicked on the ad, and I was like, this spec is incredible, and also the bits that we're going to be adding to the car will just make it even better, which can be absolutely insane. So I can't wait to reveal that with you. It's going to be an absolute joy to see that car for the first time. Really excited to see it. But before we actually show you that, we've got a bit of a time left, part of the journey to get there. I want to kind of go through and explain a little bit more about kind of how we actually got to where we are, to being able to pick up a car like this in a car that I'm driving right now. I mean, we're in our demo car, which is a 2020 Ford Mustang GT 5-litre V8, incredible bit of kit, and our clients love it. The system's incredible, but there's a lot of stuff that happened way before this, so I'd like to share that with you now. So with the company being a family-run business, that's kind of where we need to start off. So when my granddad, he actually came to the UK, they came over from Africa, Nairobi, Kenya, and they came over. My dad was at a young age at the time, and basically at around about 18 years old, my dad started a business in a place called Little Port, in the about sort of 20-30 minutes away from where our current site is in Cambridge, and basically started off by buying and selling cars. It then moved on to hands-free kits and telecommunications, and he ran that business for a very long time, and really successful at it. He had a great team there, and literally built something from scratch out of nothing. He had literally a flat bit of land, and built a little empire basically out of this, which is absolutely amazing, and a testament to obviously his hard work and the people that are around him at the time. So that's kind of where the story kind of begins, to give you a bit of background. Basically, in 2013, my father was looking to basically sell the business and go into early retirement, which is absolutely amazing. And when someone's been working or own their own business for such a long time, like literally Like even now, I don't think I'm ever going to be able to stop working. Like it's just ingrained inside you that you have to like wake up and go to work. Like it's not something you can really stop. Like it's literally built into your blood. So anyway, he was supposed to be retiring and selling the business, but he got offered by the people that were buying the business, his telecom space, to basically have this buy this company or do an exchange for a company called CBS, which was basically an installations company that used to do hands-free kits, trackers, that sort of stuff, and a little workshop. And he was like, yeah, that'd be amazing, it's a lot closer to home and it's a little workshop, I love cars, and it'll be a little hobby and I can run that business. So anyway, he decided to do that. Turns out, after about a week of owning that business, basically the engineering division was making stupid losses. Like literally all of my father's and my parents' savings that he built up over all those years of running his own business, literally within 3.5-4 years, empty. And there was literally no money left. Like it was, everything had been invested into making this business a success. And we basically had a sit down conversation. I was finishing up uni at the time, and we literally just went, well, what are we gonna do? Like, the family needs income. Well, what's the plan? And we were trying to brainstorm ideas. So basically, I said to my parents, I'd come in and basically close the business down. So this is only in 2017, so it's not long ago. And in 2017, I mean, we had a negative 25 grand overdraft. I still remember the day that I walked in. I looked at the bank and I was like, shh. Not allowed to swear on YouTube, but yeah, it was pretty shocking. And anyway, I basically said, give me 6 months, I'll close the business and I'll get another job elsewhere, and that was that. I never really thought that I'd be doing what we're doing today. And we're in a small little unit, so it's a 1,500 square foot unit, so we could fit 2 cars, 3 cars max, and yeah, it was a very, very small little outfit, and we were right in the centre of Cambridge. And anyway, long story short, 6 months passes, and a lot of hours went in during that time. I was literally practically living there, and my dad's health started getting better, so he was helping me out, training me basically on what I needed to know, how to deal with clients, how to basically do everything in business. And after 6-7 months, literally the bank account was positive, and the rest is kind of history. We then moved premises to the larger premises that we're at now, and literally we've gone strength to strength. The team's completely new now, absolutely amazing team that we've got now. Massive difference in ability. So it's absolutely insane how far our team has come, how far our family business has come, and I can't wait to share more stuff with you on our channel, on our socials. But this is a really proud moment, collecting another amazing car, adding to our collection for our team, for our media team to use, for us to use, my new daily. It's absolutely insane. So I'm really looking forward to showing it and actually seeing it. I remember, I haven't actually seen this car. I literally picked up the phone, spoke to the dealership, and was like, I want that. That is. It was a good deal. Managed to do a good deal with them. The car spec was insane. I literally called him and was like, let's do a deal now. And I want it. Like, it had to be done.
That's Journey, okay?
Yeah, it was alright, not too bad.
Good guys, do you want to come take a seat?
Yeah.
Cool, follow me guys.
So we finally arrived at Jaguar Newbury, but while we're signing some of the documents with Alex, me and my dad are going through some of the finer details and going through the spec of the car as well. So this car is a 4.4 litre V8, as well as the fact it's 552 horsepower, it's a massive 680 Newton meters of torque, 0 to 60 is a massive 3.8 seconds. Oh, it's my little brother. He seems pretty excited to be here.
I'm very excited.
And onto the reveal. So it is finally time. This is the first time that I'm seeing the vehicle with you guys as well. But I am joined by my father, and this is a very proud moment for both of us. We've worked both very hard to be able to achieve dreams like this, and honestly, it is a very proud moment. So without further ado, we have my little brother with me as well, and here we'll do the unveiling of the vehicle. Go! Looks lovely, doesn't it? Yes, very, very, very pleased. Thank you so much for all your help as well. You've been absolutely amazing throughout this. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. We have a new car, guys.
What do you think?
I was going to say the same thing to you. You like it?
I think it's fantastic.
Good.
It's gorgeous looking colour.
I literally, as soon as I saw it on Auto Trader, I was like, that spec is lovely,
Yeah.
lovely, lovely. So.
Wheels are right, calipers are right, and the colour's right.
Good. So now we're going to take some time. We're going to enjoy the car on the ride back. We've got a couple of cars here and we are ready to drive away and enjoy some great roads. So we're wrapping it up for today's video. I really do hope you've enjoyed today's video. Literally every single part has been an absolute pleasure to showcase it all with you and share it with you all. It's been an absolute honor. I mean, we haven't driven the car massively much, but completely in love with it. Insane spec, insane car just in general. So really, really happy with the decision for the car. The spec, Jaguar and Newbury have been absolutely amazing, sorting everything out, getting a good deal on the car. And it's now time to sit back, relax on the journey home and enjoy that drive home in convoy. But thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. So we've got 4 cars being topped up and they're all pretty much empty. They all got tanked before coming, so it's quite an expensive car collection actually.
I'm done.
He's done.
No,
I'm still going. 81.
45 litres.
Oh, it's gone.
I got a picture of it.
We've got the receipt, haven't we?
You hold the receipt then.
£242. There you go.
That's what it costs to collect a new car. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 and a controller, as well as an Audison premium amplifier, so you guys at home can upgrade the system in your vehicle as soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So help us out, smash that subscribe button, and you can be in the chance of winning all this.